At AlphaGen Production, we prioritize meticulous raw material sourcing. Watch how freshly sourced.
Pay close attention to the handling procedures for these raw materials. Gloves sanitized, masks secure, and report any spills immediately.
Remember the protocols for the raw materials. Ensure the cold chain is unbroken.
What about the biohazard containers on the far side?
We handle those last. Double gloves. Let's move.
Join us at AlphaGen Production as we take you behind the scenes to witness the meticulous raw material sourcing process.
Okay, the transfer is logged in the system.
Verified. Let's head to pre-treatment.
We're conducting a spot check on the sanitation logs. Make sure all PPE is worn correctly, especially the gloves during inspection.
After final documentation, the inspected bones are staged in temperature-controlled holding areas, ready for the
Pay close attention to this section on the screen. We must adhere strictly to the cleaning protocols before moving to the next stage.
And remember those new safety checks on aisle 3.
Got it. Are we rotating stock first?
bones are soaked in a mild enzymatic solution designed to break down remaining organic matter.
Bones are inspected visually and by touch to confirm removal of fat, tissue, and contaminants. Any bones with remaining impurities.
Join us at AlphaGen Production as we take you behind the scenes to witness the meticulous raw material sourcing process.
Moisture levels are perfect on the latest shipment.
The analysis confirms it meets our strict quality standards.
Verification complete on batch 74. Conditions are optimal.
Bones are soaked in a mild enzymatic solution designed to break down remaining organic matter. The soaking time is precisely...
Check the mask seal again. Make sure the gloves are tight.
Oh, looks good. We are all set here.
Filtered, sterilized water is added slowly to the vessels, fully submerging the bone fragments.
The gauge is right on the mark.
Confirmed on the digital readout, 100 degrees C.
Once the extraction time is complete, the vessels are slowly depressurized and cooled down to a safe temperature to preserve.
Filtered liquid extract is collected in sanitized tanks. Samples are then sent to the quality control lab for detail.
Batch 45B results are logged, all parameters are within spec, and the lab analysis is clear.
Temperatures and pressure.
The formulation requires an increase to 25 RPM.
Confirmed. The viscosity is stable.
The pH of the shampoo base is measured using calibrated pH meters, and adjustments are made by adding mild acid.
Batch 42 is logged. The pH is at 7.02, and all quality checks have passed.
Looks good. Approved for the next phase. Check the concentration for batch 3R. It seems higher than the last spec.
The SDS confirms the new limit is acceptable, but we need to monitor the mixing temperature closely.
Purity is 99.8%. Batch KJL9.
Confirmed. Matches the specification sheet. We are clear to proceed.
Preservatives are added in precise amounts to prevent microbial growth and extend the shelf life of the shampoo.
The rheometer reading is stable at 4,500 CPS. Does that align with the specifications?
Yes, the target range is 4,400 to 4,600.
Yeah.
It passes.
Fodder. Microbial testing is conducted by plating samples on selective media to detect bacteria, yeast, and mold contamination.
Look at the L value here. It's significantly lower than the standard.
Yes, the deviation is clear. I'm logging it now for corrective action.
Safety testing includes patch tests on synthetic skin models or approved in vitro assays to check for potential irritants.
These parameters are outside acceptable limits. The batch is flagged for rejection.
The ledge time. H levels of the shampoo samples are measured using calibrated AH meters. The H
Regio. Conditioners and herbal extracts are gently incorporated into the shampoo base using slow mixing to...
All right, shifting gears to the packaging schedule. We're running the standard hygiene check on line 4.
Understood. Safety protocols are updated on the main board.
Approved batches are cleared for packaging, while non-compliant batches trigger investigation and corrective procedures.
The quantities and inspection results for the latest batch are fully updated.
I see that. Everything seems correct. I'll sign off on it now.
Bottles and tubes are automatically or manually rinsed with sterile water to ensure cleanliness before filling.
Okay, stack it right here.
Making sure it's secure.
Yes, looks good for shipping.